So now it is time to take makeup off. Next, lashes. So satisfying. It's like I look so funny with makeup on, but no lashes, I guess. So a trick that I learned is to use tape. I know, like, you could use any type of tape you want, but I think I'm just gonna use this one, and I'm gonna put this on my eyelid where the glitter is at, and just rub it like on. Rub it, and then swipe it like that. Look at that. Ain't that something? And you're gonna keep doing that until you have everything off, like all the glitter off. It's like giving your eye a wax. So keep doing that. So now that I done picked up most of the glitter, I'm going to use the Crayon Case Loose Leaf White. And we're just going to use one white. And I'm going to show you guys why I say one. And we're just going to rub this eye first. Look how easy this makeup come off. Catfish. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna use the same side and we're just gonna wipe our eyebrows off. Look at that. And then I'm gonna do my under eye. I don't really rub my eye too much, but a bit. Now I'm gonna wipe our whole face. And that was all done with